Now you've seen how the Lucid Video and Motion team uses Lucid to see the future and build it together. From creative briefs, brainstorming, mood boards, storyboards, shot lists, casting, and set design, to having a single source of truth and inspiration for our team to align and stay on target. With Lucid, you can bring your teams together, visualize and brainstorm ideas, and create processes that make your vision a reality.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I just shared the current state.
Let's check it out. This is looking overly complex.
Naomi, can you map out the future state?
Roger that.
T minus 5 seconds and counting. All systems go.
Ready for launch.
Come look at this. Whoa!
The Eagle has landed. Lucidchart makes it easy to make the journey as smooth as possible. Blast off or try it free today.